This is another package from Temu. Let's see what came in this one. This one is a mini fan. Okay, this is the base. This is the cord for it. Oh, and this is the fan. Oh yeah, this one is working. It has 3 speeds. So 4 speeds, 5. That's 5 speeds. Mini fan. This is a USB light. See how it looks. Okay, so if you're out camping also, you could get it charged. I've got a small solar panel. I'm gonna get it charged. I could use it. It has the charger with it and a little manual. So it's a USB rechargeable light. Remember, I'll put the price so that you can see how much I paid for it. And this last one here, this is another package. Okay, this one is just a case for my tablet. A Samsung tablet. This is just the case for it. It's actually for this tablet here. This one, the case is kind of going, kind of old, so I got a new case for it. Okay, and that's last item here. That is just a tool. You could make button holes. It's a button accessory tool. Okay, so this is all for these packages. Got this other one coming, so I'm just going to join all of them together. Thanks for watching. Calabash Green, SLU. So let's see what came in the package. This first one here, I've already opened it. This is a vacuum, mini vac for your car, your small spaces, your computer, things you want to get done. Oh, it's on. It has the power already. You could just vacuum. That's 2 speeds. Remember guys, I'm not sponsored. I'll put the prices up so that you can see how much I paid for it. This other one, just open it. It's a mosquito magnetic or bug magnetic mesh. So you could put over your door, your window, to prevent the bugs. And it has the magnets. So wherever it is you need it, you could fit in the magnets. See what else again it's got. Oh, this one is just a wire cable. It's a USB cable for my device. It's a male to female USB cable. This here is double-sided tape. I've got a roll before and it was so good that I decided to get another roll. This is just inserts for my shoes, size 41 to 42. This here, oh, these are just finger guards, so you could put across your finger, especially if you have painful edges on your finger. You could just fit it in, and it provides the guard for your finger. This came in a packet of 10. I'll put the prices up so that you can see how much I paid for it. Let's see what else again we've got. This here is just a insulated cooler bag. You know, sometimes you go hiking, you go walking, and you've got your water bottle. You do not want to carry it by hand, and it has the strap. You could just put it in, and you could just carry your water bottle when you go on a hike or you go on a run for you. But relatively, everything is kind of simple and straightforward. Don't forget, guys, Calabash Green, SLU. Please like and subscribe. Support my channel by subscribing. This package and the other packages that I've had, they're not sponsored, but I'd appreciate your support for sponsorship. Thanks for viewing.